What is up, folks? First Goped video on the channel. I usually do cars, the race cars, as you can see, but we got my Gopeds out here. My boy John is joining the crew today.
Yes, sir.
Got a fresh ped here for him. About to unbox it, get the first start in, all that good stuff. He's got fuel here. We're using this VP premix fuel. Let's get this going, bro.
I think 40 to 1 should be good.
Packaged it well, man.
Oh yeah.
Thing is secure, not going anywhere. Oh, they gave you a spare plug.
There's spark plug.
Nice, you got some tools in there. Packaged very well. So this is a closeout deal that Goped.com is having. Whatever they got left, they're selling, and that's it. They're not making any more, to my knowledge.
One more sport left last time I checked.
Maybe a handful left, guys. Last chance to get a fresh ped. Well, John got a black one. This is a sport. What is this again, bro? A sport GSR?
This is no GSR, just a Goped Sport.
They had
Standard Sport.
Standard Sport. So they had like a light sport, a regular sport, some GSR. They had a bunch of different options.
This one comes with the GPL 290.
Okay. I think that's the same motor as the X-Ped I have over here. No, I got a G290.
Yeah, same numbers, different motors.
Oh shit. Okay.
Your X-Ped has a 30mm crank.
All right, so I'm probably a little more beefed up.
The ports on your motor are bigger. This is a 29cc economical motor.
Hard tire king, bro. Keep the hard tire peds alive out here. Yep. Choke on.
Ready?
Yep. Nice. First start up, boys. Fresh ped. Just letting it warm up, man. First start on the new ped.